I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select an action Pipedrive. Give here the Pipedrive API token, so please visit Pipedrive API token. Copy the token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a module. Choose an organization. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Go to the Pipedrive site and go to the people. And you can see that the data came successfully in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching.